Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing your environment and taking the first actionable steps. Open Visual Studio and create a new VB. NET project. Choose Windows Forms or WPF depending on UI needs. Once done, set the target framework and configure assembly information and an application icon so installers show professional metadata. Make sure to enable Click Once or include a Setup Project extension now. This avoids rework later. You should also sign assemblies with a strong name key if you plan to distribute globally. Now you continue by building the actual installer project and resolving the complex middle steps. If you use Click Once, configure publish settings, prerequisites, and update behavior. For MSI, use YX or Visual Studio Installer to author product, feature, and component elements. Once done, add project outputs, content files, native DLLs, and manifest data. Make sure to set install locations, desktop/start menu shortcuts, registry entries, and prerequisite checks such as NET runtime so the installer validates. Finish by testing, signing, and deploying your installer so users get a reliable experience. You should code sign both the EXE and installer using a CA certificate and timestamp it to maintain validity. This prevents smart screen warnings. Once done, run full tests on clean virtual machines. Install, update, uninstall, and simulate failures to verify rollbacks. Make sure to produce release builds and generate an installer manifest. If something goes wrong, check logs, dependency chains, and whether elevation or missing prerequisites caused the failure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.